Hello, boys and girls. It's your friendship teacher again, Miss J. I'm so happy to see you. It's time to check your choices. I hope you liked the last video on pizza sizes because we're crossing over again and learning about problem sizes this time. Today, we're going to continue to talk about pizza problems, small, medium, large, and extra large. But what makes a problem a certain size? Remember, just like there are 4 sizes of pizzas, there's 4 sizes of problems: small, medium, large, and extra large. We have to know the size that something is so we know what box to use for it, both pizzas and problems. Do you know how to figure out what size a problem actually is? Let's see if I can help you out with that. An extra large problem is any problem where somebody's hurting my body on purpose. This could be hitting, kicking, punching, slapping, scratching, biting, or they're touching me in a way that makes me feel very uncomfortable. The other thing that makes something extra large that sometimes we don't think about is when somebody does something on purpose to make us feel afraid of them. Like maybe they haven't hurt me yet, but they said they were going to. Maybe they said something to me like, "I'm going to get you after school, you better run." If anyone said that to me, I'd be scared. That's actually a threat, and threats are extra large. The other thing that's automatically extra large is any kind of bullying. Bullying isn't a one-time problem with someone, but it's a problem that's happening over and over again, and I start to feel scared that it's never going to get solved. So, an extra large problem is any problem that hurts my body on purpose or makes me feel very afraid. Now, let's talk about large problems. In an extra large problem, somebody's hurting me on purpose. In a large problem, somebody's hurting me on purpose, but they're not hurting my body this time. They're hurting my feelings. Maybe they're saying mean things to me, or they're not letting me play, or they're telling me to go away, or they're making fun of me. Boys and girls, if anyone did those things to me, it would make me feel super sad. Let's review our first 2 sizes. An extra large problem is when somebody's hurting my body on purpose or making me feel very afraid. A large problem is when somebody's hurting my feelings on purpose or making me feel very sad. With both large and extra large problems, the person is choosing to hurt me on purpose. You're going to notice a difference in this next one. In an extra large problem, somebody's hurting my body. In a medium problem, somebody could be hurting my body. In a large problem, somebody's hurt my feelings. In a medium problem, somebody could have been hurting my feelings. I know that sounds kind of confusing, but maybe I can help you clear it up with just one little word. I'm going to write the word oops by the medium problems. What do you think that means? Oops means I didn't hurt you on purpose, and I wasn't trying to make you sad. An accident happened. I made a mistake, and I wasn't being careful enough of your body or feelings. Even when someone hurts us by accident, it still makes us feel sad. It doesn't feel good to get hit with a ball or get forgotten about, but it probably doesn't make us feel as sad as if somebody were to hurt us on purpose. And now for the trickiest problem size of all, the small. Some people say that a small problem isn't even really a problem yet. It's just starting to cook up into a problem. We're on the wrong track. How many of you have ever watched a scary movie before? When I think about scary movies, I think about a classic movie called Jaws. Now, even though I've seen that movie lots of times, when that music comes on, I get nervous. I move to the edge of my seat. Sometimes I cover my eyes because I know that something bad is on the way. That's kind of like a small problem. We start to get nervous because we know that someone's about to get hurt or someone's about to become sad. We have a chance to fix it before it even happens. Feeling nervous every once in a while because a small problem is coming is okay, but if you feel so nervous for so long that you're actually afraid, that would be an extra large problem. And now you know all the problem sizes. Small, the problem's on the way. Medium, it happened by accident. Large, someone hurt your feelings on purpose. And extra large, somebody hurt your body on purpose or made you feel very afraid. It's time for your challenge, boys and girls. This week, I challenge you that if you have a problem, try and figure out whether it's a small, a medium, a large, or an extra large problem. And we'll talk more about how to box up those problems next week. Time for me to say goodbye. I'll see you again soon, but until then, take care of yourselves and take care of each other. Goodbye, boys and girls.